Maybe this one, or even split that in two.
So wet considering it's been really sunny today, isn't it?
Hey mate?
It's really wet considering how sunny it's been.
Yeah, okay. Mind yourself, Bob.
Yeah, it's just down here, Fred. I think. Really late start today. I mean, we're only about 80 miles away from London, but usually takes us about an hour and a half to get here. Hour and 45 minutes. But it took Freddie nearly 5 hours today. So we're having to cut down trees in the dark, get the fire started, and we've only got food really that is that's going to take hours to cook. It's not a bad thing, it's just probably not the best when it comes to filming. But guys, we've got so much planned tomorrow. Archery competition, we're going to do a bit of bushcraft, we're going to get up nice and early so there'll be plenty of light and you'll hopefully, well definitely be able to see us properly. Yeah, we're lost. That hasn't happened to us in a while. And this place is massive. It's like I think it's the second biggest forest in England. So it's not the best place to be lost in. Any luck, Fred?
Yeah.
You found it?
Yeah, we've ended up well.
Yeah? Do you know what it was? Because I was over there.
I just followed your light because I thought you was the same spot.
Yeah, no, because I'd done that. Because you was behind me and I was talking to the camera. And then you was on my right. And I was thinking, that's thrown me off. Like, how have you ended up there?
Disorientating, isn't it?
Yeah. Well done, mate.
That's funny. Because you're cutting it multiple times, do you know what I mean? Look. Whether you're going to get them to stay on there is another matter. But I reckon you could, if they've got mastered the art in it. You know what I mean? If you've got the perfect, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Just cover the dog, yeah?
Yeah, mate.
What's on that?
Come on, baby.
What are you babying me? We're filming. We're on camera, bro.
These people need to know you're my bitch. Should we get this fire going, bud?
Yeah, mate.
There'll be a dry basin.
Fred, see if you can. Oh, you're there.
You start shouting.
You're so sneaky. How are you going to start it, mate?
What do you know, bud?
Shall we cheat and use a fire start, or are you going to go fire still?
I don't think the fire still will like that.
100% would. Oh, nice. Right, let's see if this stuff burns.
They're good then, aren't they? These little ropes.
Yeah.
You like a little checker, didn't you?
Yeah, that was good. Do you know what it is? I usually use my knife. I don't
Yeah, I don't normally.
don't
I have
use
my
the
knife's
strikers.
over there though, to be fair.
It's a bit damp, mate, but it should go. Fred, have a look at this for a carrot. Wait till you see this, mate. Woo.
Cut yourself.
Mm.
Oh, fucking hell.
Straight away. Fred's had to take over because I've cut myself straight away. Good work, Fred. That's it. See, that's why you're the chef, mate. So this is pine sap. I'll just use this to seal the cut. Protect it, give it a waterproof coating. And it's antibacterial, so should help not get an infection. So we've got garlic, spring onions, now ginger, onion,
Cut finger.
a little bit of blood.
A little bit of blood in there.
Yeah. And then there should be a Scotch bonnet in there as well,
Oh,
mate.
you want that cut now?
Yeah. It's gonna be a hot curry, mate.
The aesthetic.
Yeah. This is mutton. Obviously, if I was at home, I'd clean it, but we're not at home, so we have to make do. Oh, that was way too much, but
What?
garlic. Hope you like garlic, mate.
Yeah, smell that now. Smells good, bud.
What, the curry?
Yeah. It's nice, that seasoning.
Never cooked a curry mutton with butter before. Watch yourself, Lulu. It's hot, darling. That's it. You're going to be a celebrity this time next week, mate.
Am I?
Yeah.
What an absolute stinker you've had there, bud.
This is prime time YouTube, guys. You done it last time with the food. At least mine's still in the pot. So we'll cook that. I reckon that'll be about 3 hours, mate. You just eat crisps, mate. I'll manage the fire and cook and do everything.
I'm going to get some wood in a minute. We need to build a tripod, so I'll hang that.
Hang what? What, this?
Yeah.
What, you want to hang it tonight?
What are you going to do? Have it on the coals for that long, yeah?
No, you know when we used to cook and just have sort of 2 logs and then just feed coals through the middle?
Okay. It's pretty much sure that you have to have a beer and a cigar, isn't it?
You getting a cigar?
One?
Yes, please, mate. Thank you.
Let's say to him, for over like Christmas and that, can't you?
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Will you chin cigars or would you let them last?
No, I'll only have one if I go to the woods or something.
Yeah.
Cheers, mate.
Yeah. Cheers, bud. What about a cigar and camping, mate? It just goes so well together.
Absolutely. But yeah, no, we've done really well, mate, considering. Not even considering, it's actually been really nice overall, isn't it?
Yeah, it's been a good camping. Let me show with that mutton, brother.
Let's get you started on that, mate.
Yeah, lovely. Thank you, bud.
That's alright. That's right, mate. It only took about 4 hours.
Good, bud, mate. Worth it.
Yeah, absolutely. Look at Fred's setup. Look how posh he is. He likes to pretend like he's tough, but it's a 5-star hotel. Come on in. Move up, mate. Move up. This won't blow up. This won't explode, will it, this bed? Oh. It's a bit Brokeback Mountain, isn't it? Yeah? Yeah, it's been a bit of a strange day today. The first half of the day was really me and Fred on the back foot, but we managed to get in the swing of things and actually have a really good day in the end. And we got a lot more filming done than I thought we would, to be fair. Hopefully it comes out okay. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna try and get some sleep now, and I'll see you in the morning. Morning. I woke up really late today. I didn't go to bed till about 4 a.m. so I got up quite late, but mainly because it's been raining all day, which you can probably hear. And yeah, it's hard to get out of bed in the morning when you're camping and you're all warm in your sleeping bag and all you can hear is rain. But I'm up, process a load of firewood. Scratch myself again. Smooth, mate. That's dead, isn't it? Yeah.
We do the 2 legs because we're going to sit there, aren't we? We'll do the 2 legs there.
They're close, aren't they? What do you reckon that is? Military or hunters?
Military.
Do you reckon?
I see a load, yeah. Do you know when I was driving down?
Yeah.
I see a load of them out.
What, soldiers? So where we're camping is it's sort of in between 2 military bases, isn't it, Fred?
Yeah.
So there's infantry down there that are always shooting. You might be able to hear them. The rain's probably covering it. And there's an RAF base down there. So if you've seen some of my other videos, there's like sort of load of American fighter jets flying over. There's always bombers and Chinooks and things like that flying over. So there's usually quite a lot of activity here, isn't there?
A lot of activity, mate, yeah.
So between the hunters, the infantry and the RAF, it can be quite a loud camp. There's a hole in his tarp. I told him it wouldn't happen.
Should we get some bread on?
Bread? Yeah, come in.
Rosemary bread, mate.
What's that, rosemary, yeah?
Rosemary in the bread, yeah.
I thought you was putting pine needles in there. A bit of pine bread.
I reckon they probably would have done that back in the day, mate. For a
What,
bit
pine bread?
bit of extra jazz,
Do you reckon?
maybe.
Yep, this is me for the day. I done the cooking yesterday. Well, half of it, because I cut myself.
You've got to cut some wood, mate.
I can't, I'm injured. I've cut myself twice. Finger and thumb. Yeah, Fred's turn to cook tonight. Steak and ale pie. Rosemary bread made from scratch. And I'm going to sit here and have a beer in the rain. Delivery.
Nice one, bud.
Come here.
Keep going, yeah?
I got this, mate.
Don't stop till that whole log's done, yeah?
Yes, sir. Freddie, I will do the job. I can't be trusted with a knife, apparently. So,
Yeah, I know. It seems that way, doesn't it?
yeah.
When you were giving tutorial videos the other day about knife and all that as well.
Yeah. Right, guys, subscribe if you want to learn how to cut yourself with a knife. Yeah, Fred, you stay nice and warm in front of the fire, mate. You keep yourself warm under the tarp. I'll cut wood in the rain. Almost 5 p.m. and we've just got breakfast on the go. We completely forgot we even had this, so we've got some bacon here. We've got some chicken sausages in there, which I've already browned off on the pan. And Fred's doing some homemade wraps. And Loli She's waiting. Because she knows what's coming. You darling. Yeah. Nice bread, mate. Very nice bread. So I tip that on you. Oh, mate.
Look at her go, mate. Yeah, good, mate.
Oh, thanks, mate. Oh, that's good, mate. Oh, you've outdone yourself there, Fred.
That's pretty good.
I'll tell you what, mate. The food is made up for the weather, isn't it? Cheers.
Cheers, mate. This is alright for now, but when we're slow cooking it, we don't want the flame that big.
No. You want to get some heat in it now to brown
like
it.
This, maybe this one, or even split that in two.
Is there steam coming off my arse?
I don't know. Yeah, I can see some steam. Yeah, off the back of your legs there is.
Yeah, I'm drying it. That's nice, mate.
Unbelievable.
I think that's the first time we've done a pie and it's come out right.
Yeah, looking now.
Yeah. How is it, Fred? Silly,
Say, mate, well,
silly question.
We deserve this after the day we've had.
I know. It's been a hard day, innit?
Yeah. Good day.
Oh, mate, that's good. Morning everyone. It's another wet one today. Freddie's still asleep, which is actually the first time I've ever got up before him on a camp. So I thought I'd put the kettle on and make him a cup of coffee for when he gets up, as that's what he usually does for me. So it's about time I return the favour after 5 years. But I know he planned to get up really early and leave before me today, but I think the rain's put him off a little bit. As yeah, it can be a little bit uncomfortable packing away in the rain. I'm up and got your coffee on, mate. yeah, you're usually the tea boy, ain't ya?
You had quite an early night, really, didn't you, bud?
Yeah, I did have quite an early night for me. I think I was asleep by about 2:30. Lily, come on. There's plenty of coffee, mate.
That one on last night?
What?
Just that one oak?
Yeah.
Before you went to bed, and that's still like that?
Yeah, the other one's there. Okay. To get the fire started, I just blew on the apparently they're called fire dogs. I watched the video the other day and the geezer called it fire dog.
Not embers, no?
No, embers are the right, I don't know. I blew on the stick and the stick got hot. You're coming up. Come on then. Let's be having you.